Now see it here, we have to discuss what is the difference between diameter and chord. What is the definition of the diameter? You have to choose any two boundary points, but you have to keep this thing in your mind that you have to choose only that boundary points such that the line joining these two boundary points must pass from the center of the circle. So this is the diameter of the circle. You have to keep this thing in your mind that that line you are drawing, that must be passing from the center of the circle. This is also diameter that I have drawn. This is also the diameter of the circle that I am drawing. This is also the diameter of the circle. This is also the diameter of the circle. Get it? So that means all these are diameters of the circle. What is the diameter of the circle? A line joining the two boundary points such that that line must passes through the center of the circle. Now what is chord? Chord is simple definition. You can choose any two boundary points and join it. This is the chord of the circle. Any two boundary points that you people want to do. So if I am doing this thing, so this is also the chord, this is also the chord, this is also the chord, means there is no condition whether the line is passing through the center or it is not passing through the center. In chord, you people are tension free. You can choose any two boundary points and join that two boundary points, and that is the chord of the circle. Now you people are, some students are saying that ma'am, these are not the chords, these are also the chords. All these are chords. Just you have to choose any two boundary points and join these that two boundary points, that is known as chord. So I am saying now this is also this is also a chord. If it is passing through the center, no problem, because that is the definition of the chord. You people can choose any two points. Whether that line is passing through the center or that line is not passing through the center, that is known as chord. So that means this line that I am darking, that is known as diameter also, and that is known as chord also. Get it? So that means if anybody is asking, and one thing more, this line is looking larger than other lines also. This line is looking larger, means bigger than the other lines also. So this question may be asked from you, which is the largest chord? So your answer is, which is the largest chord? Diameter is the largest chord. So that is very easy.